Take a rectangle shape for background color. Now take a circle shape, copy the circle shape for making leaf. Select the leaf shape, and click the leaf corner for making it rounded. Take a line shape, align the line shape with the leaf. Increase the stroke size. Then expand the line. Now copy this shape. Copy it. Select the All shape, then go to the Shape Builder tools. For delete the outside and inside shapes. Rotate it, and copy the leaf. Alignment it with other leaf. Copy it. Take a circle shape. Alignment the circle shape. Take a rectangle shape. Now we need to make door type shape. For making a mill. Go to the offset path. Now make the offset path 25. Now time to apply the color. Select all and go to the gradient color palette for apply the gradient color. Press T for go to the type tools, writing a tagline. Here is our final logo. Thanks for watching this video. Connected with us for get more logo design tutorial videos.